Video, I'm going to show you a potential winning product and also going to do some competitor research. Let me play the video for you. Now let's take a look at AliExpress and see how many orders this product has. And as you can see, there are no orders. Let's try and find other listings for this product and see if there are any orders on any other listing. All right, I'm not being able to find that specific product. Let me try again. Let's go back, take the full title, search for it, and stickers. Okay, so we can see all the listings for this product here, but we are not seeing any orders. Looks like it's a no competition product. But let's do one more thing. Let's close AliExpress and go back to Super Ali and try find sellers. What this is going to do is this is going to use all the images that are listed here, and it's going to perform reverse image search. Let's jump to the Shopify tab, and as we can see, there are three competitors who have tried selling this product. Okay, so obviously it's your call. If you want to give it a try, if you understand the market, then definitely give it a try. The next problem that most of the people face when they are trying to test unsaturated product is lack of creatives. So what I'm going to do for that is just take the title of this product, go back to Super Early dashboard, enter the complete title here, select videos only, show advanced filters, then select import date as all time, and then hit search. As you can see, there are three listings with creatives. Now these could be same creatives or these could be different creatives. You can definitely check that out and give it a try. Let me know how it works out for you. I'll see you in the next video.